Welcome to Estate Phase 3, and this is our sample 4-bedroom fully detached duplex which will be delivered to you as a carcass. And this is it right here, currently selling at 105 million naira with an initial deposit of 10 million naira and an opportunity for you to spread your payment between 0 to 30 days, 0 to 6 months, and also 0 to 12 months. This project you are seeing here is the 4-bedroom fully detached duplex with a BQ to be delivered as a carcass. So you can see that right here, and we'll be going inside so that you can see how spacious this house is. Very, very massive. The bedrooms are massive. The living room is a mini hall in itself, and it comes with a BQ that is separate from the house, attached to the house, but has its own different entrance, and comes with a bedroom and also a living room with a toilet as a BQ. So this BQ can also be rented out or given to someone as an accommodation. So this is a very massive and spacious building, and we're going to tour inside so that you see exactly what the inside is going to be looking like in terms of spacing. But be rest assured that the structural integrity of this project is next to none. And here we have 4-bedroom fully detached duplex. We also have one right here, and if you are interested, this will be delivered for you if you are interested by September 2025. So these are already units for others who have secured their own here, and if you're interested, delivery of your own, if you are securing it right now, will be in September 2025. So if you're interested, why don't you watch this video to the end so that you can join us as we tour the interior and see the spacious living spaces right inside this 4-bedroom fully detached duplex. Amazing masterpiece, and you are going to love it. And this is going to be your next home if you are interested in living inside Estate Phase 3. And if not, you can secure our current selling lands here, 500 square meters, currently selling at 33 million naira. And all of these are covered by a certificate of occupancy. And right across there, we have the bungalows that have sold out. 10 units of these bungalows have been built and also will be delivered as a carcass, and is already sold out. And very soon, the owners will be getting their keys to finalize the development of it. So if you're interested in owning a structure or a land inside this estate, then reach out to us, and we'll be sure to help you make this transaction a hassle-free experience. Join me as we tour the interior of this amazing massive building right here inside Estate Phase 3. Join me right now. Let's see this amazing structure. This 4-bedroom fully detached duplex is sitting on a 500 square meters, so you have enough space for parking space and also enough area for kids to play around. So as we walk into the house, first of all, this is the entrance, and you get past the door. Then you first get into the anteroom, and the anteroom, spacious, also comes with a guest toilet. And right after the guest toilet, you'll be walking into the living room area. And this living room area is quite spacious. You can see it. This is quite spacious, and I had to count the total number of 7 windows inside this living room area. Enough space for you to have your dining and your furnitures right inside this living room area. Very, very spacious. I'm sure you can see that for yourself. Enough area to even have a mini party, and also you have the bar and also the staircase leading you upstairs. So let's walk into another exciting area of this house, which is the kitchen. And here in the kitchen, you can see that it's quite spacious, and you can have your cabinets and island sitting here, and also comes with a pantry and a door leading you outside. Then let's check out the BQ. Right into this BQ, this is the entrance terrace, and then you walk into the bedroom of the BQ. Comes with 2 windows and quite spacious also. And this is the kitchenette. It is attached to the bedroom here in the BQ, so your guest can actually cook here, and also use the bath and toilet facility, which is right inside here. So you can see that. So bedroom, kitchenette, and toilet and bathroom. This is enough space for you to even rent out to someone, or someone that is going to be maintaining the house in your absence. So as we head upstairs, you can find that we have windows that is going to bring lights into this part of the house. And first you walk into the family lounge area, and from this family lounge area you can head into any direction, and we'll be seeing the first bedroom here. And in this bedroom you can see how spacious this bedroom is. It also comes with a toilet and a bathroom. So we have a toilet and a bathroom here. And when you walk back into the family lounge area, let's see another bedroom. Yes, this is another bedroom also. And then spacious with a walk-in closet and a toilet and a bathroom. When you walk back to the living room area, we'll be heading into the master's bedroom. This is another spacious living room space in this house, and this is the walk-in closet and also the bedroom where you can have your jacuzzi or your bathtub attached. You can see that this bedroom has 4 windows in total. And then let's walk out to the sit-out area or balcony right in this floor. You can see that. So you can go out there and have a good time with your partner. Then let's see the 4th bedroom on this floor. Okay, so this has 2 windows, a closet, and also a bathroom and toilet. Quite spacious, quite spacious. This is massive structure here on ground here. Remember, this is sitting on a total 500 square meters. So this is a tour of the interior or 1st floor of this duplex. So what do you think? Now that you have seen this massive spacious home here inside Amen Estate Phase 3, what do you think about it? Are you going to be going for it, or would you want to rather buy your own land and build what you want? If you are interested in securing this amazing structure, then you simply have to reach out to us, and we will be glad to make sure that your own unit will be available in the next batch. Right now, many people are skeptical about building their own homes, or even since they are not available, giving a contractor to build their own homes when you are sure the contractor is not going to deliver on time. But this is already here, developed by Amen Estate, and they can do this for you, and you can also request for them to tweak the design if you so desire. So why don't you reach out to us right now so that we can sit down and discuss this amazing opportunity here, and also get your own home right here inside this estate. This is going to be delivered as a carcass, just like this. Is not going to be plastered. This is what we are offering to investors right here. So if you're interested, reach out to us right now so that you can make this an amazing estate your next destination home. Thank you very much for watching. My name remains Frankilo, and it's always a pleasure bringing you to this amazing investment opportunity right here in the city of Lagos, Nigeria. Thank you very much for joining us on this video. Bye for now, until we see you again on the other side of the deal table. Thank you very much. My name remains Frankilo. Do not forget to call the numbers right now on the screen so that we can discuss your options right here inside this estate. Thank you very much for watching.